In this video, I will show you how to create a workflow rule in Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho account. Now at the very top of your screen, click on the Settings button. Once you're in the Settings board, scroll down and look for the Automation section. Under it, click on Workflows. This will bring you to the Workflow Rules page where you can manage or create new workflows that help automate your ticket processes. On the top right corner, click on Create New Rule. Here you can start setting up the details for your workflow. Select a module first, for example, choose Tickets. Then provide a rule name and a short description so it's clear what this rule will do. Once done, click Next. For step 2 under Execute On, you will decide when the workflow should run. For this example, select Create. Then click Next to continue. For step 3, you will need to define your criteria. This is where you can specify certain conditions to filter when the rule applies. For instance, you can select fields like execution time and choose during business hours to make sure it only runs at specific times. Once you're done, click Next again. Now in step 4 under Actions, click on the All Actions Plus button. From the drop-down menu, select Alerts, then click Existing. Here you can type in the alert name, write the message, and select who should receive the alert when the rule is triggered. After filling in the necessary details, click Save. And that's how to create a workflow rule in Zoho Desk.